black box on the battleship cruiser and destroyers. Anthony Toronto Mars. Two wings, so you get more lift there. Here we come in from the left. Explain for you now the fairy swordfish, the LS 326, sorry, it's a 326. The largest remaining swordfish in the world. You're in a situation. Here we go, let's have a nice big wave to Scotty and Sim for their final place. Proud sector, ladies and gentlemen, the Black Hat Final 2024. As a qualified pilot navigator instructor, going to put the car around, one round, and instructor on the shootout. Here we are, Michael and Tom, inverse flying, saying hello to each other, in the cockpit waving, nice and close, probably about, I would say maybe 3 meters apart from each other. Here we go, nice boat opportunity, and a nice stick fire. Accessibility, breast-cancer guy taking all the photos. He's also very, very hot on keeping the team on time to meet the general public. So they say that they're going to be there at a certain time. And of course, probably there's Graham Mudcat in a main role for us here today will be to give us the fantastic commentary when the red hours come on. And I have to say, they have a packed 23 minutes. Going up to 2,200 feet. He will then let the aircraft just drop down all under its own steam, no control, and then when he gets to 1,300 feet, there we go, recovers, takes control. We recognise that back to the Rolls Royce, very display, carrying everything around the buildings and everything. He's been the team previously for 5 years. He took the year off in 2023. He brought from the back this year as Red One the team leader. He's a former Typhoon pilot, former qualified flying instructor on the Tucano, where he was the Tucano's straight pilot in 2012. In from the left, the smoke will come on for big pictures.
Woo. I never see them do this in real life.
Drive the team down the line. On the tight lead, as the big repair is let's go slow. From on left hand side, you can see Red 9 going down. He's closing in at over 460. Right centre, Patrick Churchill, known as Paddy. And Red 9 flying, both to the red, the white and the blue, as we will move on to our left hand side. Leading Red 7 on the way up. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready. The smoke comes on, the synchro pair part for the world's famous synchro heart.
Попа сейчас получилось.
Это маме можно.
Eat it from the right, 4, the 5, 4, flop.
aircraft from the yellow jacket. And it's getting to that aircraft from the right, the smoke on the bar, he is flying. The next overall, that was for the stolen of the Normandy victory by Allied forces. In commemoration of all those that took part in the campaign, this is Spitfire Roar. On the right of red one is Chris 2, that's Tornado Chris McCann. Chris originally from St. Helens. He's a former Tornado CR4 pilot, and he flew at 617, the Downbuster Squadron, where he actually got an Air Force Cross for his service on operations over Afghanistan. And Chris would like to say hello to his wife, his children, and his mum, who are here today at southport. The opposite number on the left-hand side is Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Justin Wales, known as Justy. Originally from Zimbabwe, former Typhoon pilot with 11 Squadron and instructor on 29 Squadron, and also part of 41 Squadron, the Test and Evaluation Squadron. Red 4 and 5 now smokers either side of that center section make their way rearward. And event of 2023 is celebrating the 20th anniversary of the final flight.